Shay babies. Hey. I know you see the title and you're like, baking cookies. Yep. I know, yeah. We are back in the kitchen again. And once again, thank you so much for answering today's FaceTime call. Whoop whoop. So what we have today is the Spooks of Halloween biscuit decoration kit. And yeah, I don't know how this is gonna go, but once again, do not judge me because this is a no judging zone. So we're gonna see how we're gonna get on without burning down the facilities which you have. Right, so what comes in the box is, let's have a little look. What's this? Right, we have some cutters. We have one cutter. We have some orange icing. This must be more icing. Okay, this is white icing. And this is another white icing. This is gonna be sweet, but hey ho besties. And now we have the biscuit mix, which is here, the cookie mix, and the eggs and the margarine. So right, I'm gonna try, oh hold on, and we've got a black icing as well. Right, as you know, I do not read instructions, but I'm gonna try it today. So right, to make the biscuit dough, put the biscuit mix in a mixing bowl. So I'm gonna be, got my bowl, pouring it. All in. Pouring it all in, guys. Okay, you get quite a lot of the biscuit mix. Right, so now that that's all done, whoo, Lord of mercy, I'm gonna be, right, what does it say now? Soft butter or margarine. It doesn't say how much to put in, but once again, we don't judge. So I'm gonna get this spoon and put my margarine in. Hopefully it tastes nice. I'm gonna be adding in some more margarine. And now I'm going to crack an egg. Right, I'm going to show you my egg cracking skills. You know, 1, 2, bang, bang. And just, can you see it? Hey! Just like that. No shell in there at all. Now, it doesn't say if I should add 1 egg or 2 eggs, but I am going to start to mix it around because that's what it says on the box. Right. I've got my wooden spoon. Sorry, English gone bad. And I'm gonna be mixing it until it is smooth. I am gonna be mixing everything in the bowl. Oh shit! Yeah, without making a mess. Please and thank you. Right. I think in the new year it's time to invest in a mixer, in a blender machine, so that I don't make a whole bag of mess. So here, as you can see, I'm trying to mix it to make the dough. I am gonna fast forward this bit because it always takes such a long time to get the dough proper, you know. Guys, so my dough is actually looking like dough, praise the Lord. You know, I had to put some arm strength behind it and whisk it all up into dough. So right now we've got that all situated. I do have my chopping board full of flour, and I'm gonna be taking the dough and sectioning it off into biscuit sizes, you know. And I'm gonna be using my rolling pin. So, you know, rolling. Right, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So here, as you can see, I got my dough in my hand. Right, let's put it down here. Hopefully, it don't stick. But that's why we've got the flour on the board, so that, you know, it's more easier to roll out into a circle kind of shape. So when I put the cutter on it, it cuts nicely. So here we go. Here's the cutter, guys. It can either be a pumpkin or a skull. So right now I'm doing my first pumpkin. Right, like that. You see, yeah, come on. So now that's done, I am gonna be putting it to the side. I'm gonna make some more. I am gonna be speeding up this process because woo, it's gonna be a lot of, I was just about to say it's gonna be a lot of dumpling. Oh god. Speeding this bit up, so you will still see me do it, but I'm just gonna speed up the process so that you're not like sitting there waiting for paint to dry. Yes, my people, them, right. And now what I am gonna do, I'm gonna do my favorite thing, which I like doing when I'm in the kitchen, playing some music and enjoying myself. I'm back. So now the dough is finally cut into pineapple. Beep. It's now cut into pumpkin shapes right here. I am gonna be putting it in the oven right now. Once it's all in the oven, I will be setting my timer for 10 minutes. So woo, right. Guide over us. Right. 10 minutes on the clock. That's it. Yep. Right. So whilst that is browning in the oven, I'm gonna be checking out the different types of styles which I can make my pumpkins or my style cookies, you know, because there's a lot of decorations. There's a lot of ways you can decorate it. So I'm going to be checking it out and seeing which one I like, you know, because come on now, it's my time to be creative. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, in this time I'm going to play music because I love a good, you know, nice little. My Shay babies, the cookies are out and I'm ready to decorate because I want to eat them because they look so good and they smell so damn good. So now I don't really know if I want to decorate all of them, but if I do decide to decorate all of them, I will post a picture on the side because, you know, your girl just wants to eat them because I love eating cookies when they're warm. It just, oh, it does something to me, boy. Right, so now I'm gonna be just putting lines going down. Oh, okay, why is it all runny? Is that the blood effect or something? The blood, boy. Okay. So here's the first one. You know, that kind of looks lit, you know, not gonna lie to you. It does kind of look nice. Even better when it's in my mouth going, yeah, clap the tea. Now this one, I'm gonna be colouring it all in orange. So just gonna be, you know, I just want to eat it. Or to make it easy, I'm gonna put it on like this and then get the spoon back and spread it. So it looks like this. Okay. Ooh. Clack the tea. If you know, you know. If you don't know, then get to know. Your girl is a big baker. So we have one fully orange biscuit. I just know little mummy's gonna stuff them all in her mouth. I just know it. Right, now I'm gonna be putting some black something on there. So now we've got the black one. I really just want to take a bite out of it. I'm gonna give the pumpkin a nice little black mouth. Okay, and now I am gonna put eyes on there as well, because you know, like, what's a pumpkin without eyes? Come on, guys. Right, you see that one there? That looks lit. That looks lit. Right, and then for the next one now, I'm gonna open up the white icing and woo! Ooh, oh my god, I could just bite into it. Help me. Whoa! So for this bit now, I'm gonna take, ooh, and it's soft as well. Ooh! Now for this one, I'm gonna be using, which one should I use? I'm gonna be using this one right here. And all I'm gonna do is put it into lines, is cut it, well, hopefully cut it to make it into lines so that, hold on, can it roll like dumpling? Can it roll like dumpling? So it should look something like this. And then I'm gonna get some black and I'm gonna put a line on the side of the white, the icing in. You know, it's all about being creative when you're doing these type of things. So it looks like that. Okay, and might give it some eyes. I might give it some orange eyes, because why not? Might put one eye right there, the other eye on the other side, just like that. I might do 2 more and then I'm gonna try it because I'm hungry. Right, and now with the rest of the icing, I'm gonna make some small little eyes for the other ones. So here's the other one we've got. I'm gonna make little eyes, well, not little, but a good size eye shape. Oh god, a good size eye shape. And that was nice. And then I'm just gonna plonk a big piece of icing in there and give it you know, ooh, okay, we don't want to lose you now. You know, so it looks like that. And honestly guys, I could go on and on because I do have 16 cookies here, but I do want to, you know, taste it and give you my honest review. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I might just decorate one so, you know, I can taste it and go down my chakia and everything like that. So quickly I'm just going to decorate one. You know, put a bit of orange. Like, I am going to try it. This is the little one which I just put together. It's so soft. This, a cup of tea. Sit down. I'm ready for the night. Very nice. Let me finish my food because I hate talking with food in my mouth. 10 out of 10. Delicious. But I will take a picture and show you the cookies on the side. But yes, besties, thank you so much for answering today's FaceTime call. Much love and appreciation. Let me know if you want more of these type of videos throughout the month of November as well, and I will do it for you. Bye.